Okay. So we have sec 45 plus a by 2 times sec 45 minus a by 2, and we have to prove that it's equal to 2 sec a. So obviously the first thing that I think all of you are going to say is to change it into the form of cos, right?
Yes.
So this one can be written as 1 over cos 45 plus a by 2 times 1 over cos 45 minus a by 2.
Yes. Yeah.
Equals to. Well, do we have any idea of cos a plus b? Cos a plus b is?
Cos A plus B, cos A
Cos a plus b minus
sin A.
sin a. Cos a minus b is?
Cos A
Cos A
plus
plus
B.
B
Cos a plus b
plus
plus sin sin. From that also I think you should be able to get the answer. Yes, we can do that. Yes, let's do that. That you can do, or what you can do?
Cos A plus B बनाएं, cos A minus
So
B
90 plus a divided by 2. Isn't it?
Yes.
Divided by 1 over cos
90
minus
A divided by 2.
But the thing is, we cannot say, oh, cos 90 plus a is this, because there is 2 divided. Do we have that? So cos a by 2. Do we know some formula of cos a by 2? In the form of cos a. Cos a equals to what?
Cos
2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Right?
Yes.
So, cos a plus 1 divided by 2 equals to cos square a by 2. Or root cos a plus 1 divided by 2 equals to cos a by 2. So that I think you can use. I think we should be able to get the answer. So 1 divided by cos a by 2 is root cos a is 90 plus a, right?
Yes.
Cos a,
Plus.
isn't it?
Yes.
Cos a is 90 plus a by 2. And then
Plus 1.
plus 1 divided by
2.
times. Okay? 1 divided by cos 90 plus a. Now we can use
Minus sin A.
cos 90 plus a is 90 means it changes into sine, right? 90 plus a is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So minus
Sin
a plus 1 divided by 2 times 1 over. What about this one? Cos 90 minus a.
Cos 90
That is
Sine.
right?
Yes.
plus 1
First quadrant all positive. Plus 1 divided by 2.
2.
What do we know about this? Root a times root b equals to root a, isn't it? So we can multiply this to 1 times 1. 1.
Minus.
Plus sine a plus
2 to 4. Sin square 1 by sin square a sin square cosine square a minus
A minus b times a plus b.
1 minus
You
sin
can
square.
think about it like that, right?
yes.
1 like a minus s like b, let's say here.
1 minus sin square
A
divided.
plus b into a minus b.
1 minus sin square
1 minus
sin
sin
square.
square.
Beautiful.
divided by
Divided by 4.
4.
And then I can write it here. 1 divided by. What is 1 minus sin square?
cos square.
Divided by 4. How much is that? 1 divided by cos square. So we can write this one as cos a divided by 2 whole square, right?
Yes. cancel.
They'll cancel one another. 1 divided by,
Cos
Cos A
and then
2 sec.
1 times 2 will go up, right?
Yeah.
That's the main division line.
Yes. 2 cos.
2 times 1 over cos A equals to
2 sec.
Cos A
Cos
equals
A.
to
Sec A. 2. उयो जान्न पर्छ मेन. जान्दैन.
यतापट्टिको साइडको जान्न पर्ने
उयो मेन.
where?
साइड आउट तपाईँले गर्नु साइन कस ए
Oops, 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 oops.
उ माथि.
That's the point.
Yes.
That's where you have to be careful about it. Okay?
Okay. Cos A plus 1 divided by 2 square.
Hmm?
Oh.